Hey everyone, my name is Dania and I'm thrilled to announce that the Spark Your Creative Mojo workbook is now available online. Do you ever sit down at your creative space and your mind goes completely blank? You're not sure what to do even though you might have all the supplies and you have no idea what to make. Then this workbook has been made with you just in mind. This is an 8-module workbook which shows you the 3-step process that will take you from having no creative mojo to being inspired to take your next step. The Spark Your Creative Mojo workbook has been downloaded by over 600 crafters just like you who have loved it and found it really useful. Be sure to visit the website to check out the reviews. I've poured my heart and soul into this workbook, sharing everything that I've learned about creativity, and I'm sure that you will find it useful as well. So if you sign up before the 24th of June, you will get access to a free live Q&A session with me where we will craft, we'll talk about the workbook, and we'll do some exercises from it as well. So I hope that you sign up today. Thanks. Bye.